This is a pretty interesting device. It doesn't operate like your normal ratchet. Well, it can, obviously. It's set up just like a regular ratchet tie down. But one easy thing is, extending it. You just push on this handle, and then to retract it, you push on it and let it retract back in. And, once you've extended this and you want to tighten your load, then you can use these ratchets to tighten it more like you normally would. So I think this is pretty nice, much simpler to use, and it holds the webbing in here firmly so you don't have webbing all over the place getting all tangled up. And I like how these are spring-loaded and won't fall off of where you're hooking. So I think it's great.